Hi, my name's Warren Zulch and I'm the product manager here at Zebra Technologies. In this video, I'll guide you through the unboxing and setup of your new Zebra SP20 single plane scanner. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the main scanner unit, a stand, a quick start guide, and a regulatory guide. First, take the scanner and the stand. Notice the slots on the bottom of the scanner and the guides on the stand. To assemble, face the scanner in the direction indicated by the icon on the stand. Next, line up the slots on the bottom of the scanner with the guides on the stand and slide the scanner back until you hear a click. This click confirms the scanner is securely attached. To remove the scanner from the stand, simply reverse the assembly steps. Squeeze the tabs on either side of the guides and slide the scanner forward to detach it. With the scanner assembled, you can now connect the cable. Insert the cable into the port on the bottom of the scanner. The other end connects to your point-of-sale terminal or computer. And that's it! Your Zebra SP20 is now set up and ready to go. Its high-performance scanning and compact design make it a great addition to any retail environment.